Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys do not already, make sure the bell notification is lit and take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion TG, where we'll be hosting AMAs and talk about projects like Duko. But let's get this video started. We got Duko is the cutest Solana pet, aimed to bring all the dog lovers to low fees chain that empowers memes and communities. So this is the one that's pumping on Solana right now. This is a money bag alert. Of course, not financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence, but you know, it is moving and it is grooving. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I've been watching the community since the $1.5 million market cap. If you were inside the Money Bags Mansion, you would have heard this play about it. You would have heard about it already. You'd be up right now, but you're learning about the channel now, so make sure you guys subscribe. But this one's looking good. I like what I'm seeing on this one. Let's go ahead and close this out. I like what I'm seeing on this one. It's holding pretty strong, and we'll talk about the prices and you know, some spots that we can get in just a bit. You know, now that it's holding above this last all-time high, you know, now it's going to find a support right here. This is bullish to me if the community stays active. 1,400 holders, you know. So let's find out more about this Duko, what we got going on. So Duko is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. Right there in front of your face. Love what I'm seeing by it. We know that if you've been in the space, this makes sense to a lot of people that they're not new to the space. This would be like, what the heck is going on? But this is honestly all it takes right here. Transparency, a community that gets behind it, and it could pump. It can honestly do something. I think it has a good quality meme. We'll check out what's going over here on their X page. Give them a follow at Duko Coin. If you guys rock with them, if you're part of this community, try to get over 100 likes on this video so the YouTube algorithm will push it out. But also, I'm going to make an X post after this, so make sure you guys follow me on X at Rico Money Bags. Like that, when I make the post about the video that I made, you guys can also rate that. Like that, we got socials and some content to push on YouTube. With engagement, making the YouTube algorithm work for us by, you know, pushing out the video, and also on X, having content that we can show and pump out to other communities and let them know that we're going crazy over here. So big shout out to this community. I seen them active in the TG, and that's why I came in and I dropped the video. So this is what's going on right now with Duko. I like this. I think it's memeable. I think it has the right quality. It's already starting to hover above that $1 million market cap. Let's face it, we know what's up in the space. Sometimes it's hard for something to stay above that $1 million market cap, and you have that area of like, there it goes. What's going on? But this one seems to be holding. The markets are good. You know, Bitcoin's over 52,000 at some times, with ETH over 2,800 at times. You know, the markets are, you know, kind of poised, and they're kind of positioned in a way where things can pop off. We're getting into that, you know, 2021 vibes when, you know, almost anything can just head to the $1 billion market cap. And it could be something as transparent as this, letting you know that this is for entertainment reasons only. There's no expectation of profit. This is a community having fun, a community that has it trending number 5 on Dex Tools. So, you know, they are doing their work. Let's go ahead and layer this chart up. We'll do some support and resistance, so like that we can see where we get into fit in, right? So this is our all-time high up here. This is a channel that we're trading in. You know, as we start to layer the chart, it kind of starts to tell you, boom, right there, we're holding support, which makes sense because prior resistance becomes future support. So we got the prior resistance becoming future support. So consolidation in this range, all this is good. Breaking above that, coming back down to push back up. That's what you want to see. That'd be a healthy chart right there, something that looks like that. And that's what it's looking like we're doing. Anything above that is really going to be healthy, because we can see that this was an area of resistance before, and now we're above it. So it's kind of ideal for us to really keep pushing right now and just stay on top of it. We got the right type of momentum. There was, you know, obviously not exactly a top right there, but, you know, there's these tops, these areas. This is DeFi, so they're not always picture perfect, but essentially all this tapping right here while we were trading in the smaller, lower range. But we're at a $2.4 million market cap, 1.4K holders, so 1,400 holders. And, you know, this project's looking pretty strong right now. It's not financial advice. You know, I'm looking at it because, like I said, I like the time that we're in as far as the crypto space. only put in what you're willing to risk to lose. Like that, you're not scared about even the short term, and you can hold to maybe $100 million market cap, maybe $1 billion market cap. But in the short term, at least you can load up on supports, or take profits on, resistance. You can do this. You can, so like that, you can keep growing your position the right way. So like that, when it gets to the $1 billion market cap, if you only had $100, the trading you did let you acquire a bigger amount, like if you had $1,000, because you were loading up and getting rid of it on every support and resistance or whatnot. But of course, anything can happen with this one. I think, we're in the season where keeping your moon boots on and keeping a little moon bag on some certain plays might be ideal, because it could pop off any minute now. And Solana is one of those blockchains that I think is ready to do crazy things like that. So $2.4 million market cap. We're watching this live. Wanted to see if we've seen some kind of crazy candle. Sometimes that happens while I'm live on the channel. We'll just have some kind of God candle happen. And you got to love it when that happens. But yeah, we can see that. That's consolidation. That's the resistance. We got that tapped out right there. That's what we're working with. We're looking good. So just keep shilling, keep going hard. I'm going to put this video out there, get this video ready for everybody. I'm going to get the X post as well. And we just got to keep smashing. Let's break, past that psychological $5 million market cap. We start chasing that $10 million market cap. Things start to get really crazy around there. So, I still think this one has a lot of room to grow. I think we're early on it. It's super brand new, a couple days old. A couple days old. So this is what we got right now. Let's see what we're working with. We'll keep an eye on this one. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more videos about Duko. Yeah, but that's going to be it for this one. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.